time for the ferry. Let's take a speedboat instead. Come on.
Move it! Out of the way, birdies!
Goblin Island, here we come!
You're getting away! Quick! Our webs can't reach! Huh? Those seagulls seem upset. Hey there, seagulls. What's wrong? Those guys bothered you too? They've been misbehaving all day and they're stealing an innocent groundhog right now. You're right, it's not very nice. Oh, could you help us stop them?
They're not getting their groundhog back now. Groundhog Day is ruined.
We're the bestest feelings ever! Dobby, what's that? Bad birdies! Bad!
Stop them! Go away! Get out of here! Leave us alone! The beach!
Gotcha, Gabe!
And I got you two.
Thanks, seagulls! Nice teamwork!
Pesky seagulls! Fine. You can have your groundhog back.
What do you think, Gabe? Ready to go back to the zoo?
A whole lot of people will be happy to see you.